So, alamin natin ngayon kung paano maiwasan ang disinformation, misinformation at malinformation. So, I'm Jonathan De Leon from Section 4G. So, ito ang mga para maiwasan natin yung malinformation, misinformation, and disinformation. Combating disinformation, misinformation, and malinformation requires a comprehensive approach involving education, technology, regulation, and public engagement. First, promoting media literacy is essential. Encouraging individuals to critically evaluate information and verify sources through fact-checking websites and cross-checking multiple reliable outlets. Technology can play a key role by applying AI tools to detect and flag false content, improving algorithms on social media platforms to reduce harmful information, and developing tools to identify manipulated media like deepfakes. So, yan. Yung isa pa ay yung sa social media. Social media platforms and government should enforce policies and regulations that promotes accountability, transparency in political ads, and rapid response mechanism to correct misinformation. Strengthening institutions such as journalism and public health organizations and building trust in authoritative sources can also combat the spread of falsehoods. Additionally, encouraging responsible online behavior and fostering a culture of truth by holding individuals accountable for sharing misleading information can create a more informed public. Finally, addressing the root causes of misinformation such as distrust in institutions or emotional reactions and promoting clear communication from public figures and governments can further reduce the impacts of false or misleading content. So, yun yung paraan para maiwasan natin at ma-combat ang disinformation, misinformation, and malinformation. So, thank you.